gearing. Oh, that's how I broke it last time. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Here we are, we're out with the Kraton 12S, running on 8S, just coming out for a fun bash. So guys, as I always say, you're already a superhero if you're watching this video. Elevate yourself to the level of demigod. Smash the like button, drop a comment if you want. If you're new to the channel, please do consider hitting the subscribe button. ABC is off. My dash spot, guys, last time security tried to like kick me off, and now they've put a fence there, but the fence is open, so I'm going to go for as long as I can before I get kicked off. We're running a Max5 700 kV Leopard motor, uncensored. Whoops. Making a bit of a sound like a dry differential. Or that maybe I need to re-plug my centre diff. It's dried out a bit here now. It's firm, but it is rough. Here's where I was walking last time, there's my footprints. Here's more of my footprints from last time. It was bad, now it's firm again. Alright, let's go, test spot. I think I need to stiffen the differentials on it. Not happy about this jump. Getting the back kicked up badly. Let's try this little jump here. Okay, better angle. Such good fun. Everything's still attached. these big cars, such good fun. But need to exercise caution. Nice. I think I need to re-earplug my centre diff to get this rotation, or paddles on this surface. Possibly more punch. With a tiny bit more brace. Oh, what? Bearing. Be a bearing. Oh, massive, massive rock. Thank God I stopped. Come out. Get out of there. That's what you don't want. Alright, we're good. Sort that nose out. Do a bit of sideways bashing. I think centre diff needs re-earplugging. Needs a bit of tuning, I think. And also, I've read about this issue with the Max5 not giving you that like initial punch off, and needs to have the firmware updated, and I think that's what this needs, because it's not cogging because the pinion's too big. It's definitely not that. 21-25 gearing. Oh, that's how I broke it last time. If I squeeze, it takes a second to react. So for air control, it's not great. Well, no one's kicked me off yet. I've been here for 10 minutes, so that's pretty good. see there, no throttle as I'm trying to tap the throttle. A little bit, but I'm having to just squeeze full throttle. Ah, again, that's how I broke it last time. Oh no! Look at me drive shaft. Ugh. See if I can bend it back. Little mistakes and the drive shaft is done. Safer in the desert, I think. Gonna run it on 12S, but I don't think that's a good idea now. Oh! Oh, I think my drive shafts are too bent really to run it. It's catching the shot there, it's not, it doesn't look healthy. Do a bit of bending, come back. Alright guys, so I'm not going to tempt fate, it's still running, but that two bent drive shafts, I'm just going to get them in a vise and straighten them back before I do any serious damage. I'll probably check the centre diff as well, maybe re-air plug it to give me a bit more control in the air.